we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of CAMECHO 9.66-inch 4K mirror dash cam with ADAS. Consists of the following features: 4K front and HD rear mirror dash camera. Equipped with 4K front camera with 150 degrees wide view angle. 1080p waterproof backup camera with 120 degrees viewing angle, can record clear video in front and behind the car simultaneously, real-time transmission of images, capture license plates from a distance, never miss the road status and details when driving. 9.66-inch IPS streaming media full touch screen. 9.66-inch IPS screen provides excellent visibility from any angle. Streaming media full touch screen by simpler operation, switch front and rear camera images by swiping left and right, adjust the viewing angle by swiping up and down, video recording / playback, split screen. Super night vision and parking assistance. The upgraded 4K front camera and HD 1080p backup camera presents clear videos in low light conditions with super night vision and enhanced details such as license plate number and road signs. The reversing camera offers adjustable guidelines to assist you park safely. Built-in Wi-Fi and GPS antenna. This rear view mirror camera comes with an app for Android or iOS smartphones. You can preview the real-time image through the built-in Wi-Fi connection. With the external GPS antenna, view the GPS info and coordinately trace back all the GPS metrics in playback recorded videos on GPS player. Advanced ADAS and BSD and LCA enhances safety through advanced driver assistance system alerts, including collision warning, pedestrian collision warning, lane departure warning, forward vehicle start warning, and distance monitoring. Provide real-time blind spot monitoring, alerting you to potential rear-end collision risks. LCA function enhances safety during lane changes. Looping recording and G-sensor. Seamlessly loop recording, continuously recording and overwriting the oldest footage with the newest upon filling a card to capacity. TF card is not included. Built-in G-sensor. When a collision or bump is detected to occur, the mirror dash cam automatically turns on and starts recording. Easy to install and set up. 9.66-inch size fits perfectly in the rear view mirror of your car, making it easy for you to install the camera on most models on the market. The accessories are simple and easy to install, it will save your time. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.